Hello tech lovers, I welcome you to my channel. My name is Bumi and this channel name is Tech with Bumi. Thank you for watching and please watch this video to the end because today I bring you good news from Canva. Canva just introduced an amazing design features in Canva and it's called the video remover. And this video remover works like magic. I'll be giving us 3 ways you can use it. Okay, I'll be giving us 3 ways you can use it, and for you to be able to use this video remover, you're going to need a paid Canva, which is Canva Pro or Canva for Teams, Canva for non-profits. Okay, those are the pro features that you will need. But you know what? I've got good news for you. I have my affiliate link in the description and it comes with a 30 days free trials. Okay, so you are free to use it, and if you want to continue with it, you continue with it with the paid, or you can opt out if you want. Okay, so do not miss that. The link will be in the description box. So now, without any further ado, let's just dive into the main topic for today. Okay? Thank you. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. So in today's video, as I said, our topic once again is how to remove video background. I will be showing us different ways you can use this video background, and to be able to use this video background you will need a pro features, which you can have either Canva Pro, Canva for Teams, or Canva for non-profits. Okay, but as I said earlier, I have a 30 days free trials for you, so you can use my affiliate link in the description. So now let's just go straight to video. You can do mobile video, but we're just going to use this video. Okay, so using this video, then I come to element. I want to get my video because I already uploaded my video. So upload. I have my video here already. So I have my video here already. This is my video. Can you see the background? So I'm going to click on it. You have to click on it before you can use it, and you come to this place, you see edit video, and you can see this background remover, right? Background remover. It says remove background of video with 1 click, and this is better. So this symbol indicates that it's a new one and they're still Canva, they're testing it, and so that is in short it indicates that is a new features in Canva. Okay, so now I'm going to click on it, and can you see, ignore this video, ignore. So can you see, at 1 click it didn't even waste time, it just gave me my background, and as you can see it's talking. Then at the same time I can change my background also. Let's go back to elements, okay, and look for beach. I can type beach background. Okay, let me just check. Yeah, beach background. I don't want to use a pro version. I'm going to use a free version for us to see, so let me just use this free version. If you see anything like this that is like pro here, then you have to pay for it, or you use my link. Okay, but I will be using this free version, and I would enlarge it to the background. I think I'll delete one, it came twice. I will enlarge it to the background. So I'll position it backward. Can you see? And I will do something like this, me talking, or I put it in the middle. This is my video, and we'll start talking. So this is another way you can do it. You can also minimize, your video. You can minimize it here, right? And you can do like a presentation at the back, and you start using it. So another way is I want to change the background, and I'll go to video because I chose pictures. Then I will want to change the background to the office setting. Office background, okay? I need a video. I want a video of office setting. So I can choose any of these office settings. Let's do this. Then I think it came twice. I'll delete one. Then I'll change. I want to remove this beach. I remove the beach, and mind you can also change the colors. Okay? Mind you can change the colors. Mind you can change the colors. I didn't say that at first. You can put any background colors. There's no need to be using any green colors that you want to use. You can change it to any color you want. You can play with the colors. Okay? I'm going to do this later. So let's go. So as you can see, you can play with the colors and it's going to talk. You know? So now let's go to background office. Background office background. I want the video. Okay, and I will be choosing this. Then I will enlarge it. I think I need to go delete this. I hope you're enjoying this class. Please give this video a like and subscribe if you're new here. Please share. I need you to like this video so that YouTube will remember my video algorithm and send it to people that needs this video. So can you see my video here? And so this is the background that I changed to. Okay, and the most important thing is you can move it the way you want. I know this video is getting too long. You can move it the way you want, and you play with it. Then the final one I want to show you here is you can frame it. You come, so you click on frame, or you scroll down, you see frame, and this is my frame here. I'm going to set it here, and I will position it backward. Okay, and if I position it backward, I will just move it inside. So, and can you see it's already framed, and you can keep on talking. Hello, and you can move it the way you want. You can move it the way you want. So let's go to the number one type that you can use. So now let me show you the number 2 ways you can use your video editor. Okay, and mind you, there's also background remover for pictures. I'm going to put the video in the description box if you want to learn how to how to clear your background pictures. Okay, if you notice, that's what I use for most of my thumbnails, how to remove background pictures. I have the video on it, so you can watch it in my description box. So my second method is to remove the background of a video from the Canva library. So I'm going to delete everything in this box. I'll delete everything entirely. Okay, I'll delete everything. You can leave the color. Okay, so if you scroll by the side, you're going to see audio and videos, sorry. So you click on videos and you can look for let's say a dancing video. Let's see this one first. Let's check out this. Then I would click on this better. So as you can see, it's not, I noticed that it's not really smooth. Or is it smooth? Because sometimes this type of, because it's new and Canva is still testing this background, is not bad. Canva is still testing this background and it's kind of mushy. You can see some dots at the background if you look at it properly. So we are going to try another design. So let me change to, yeah, let's change to this. Then I do another one. So as you can see, it has a background and you can do something like this, and you can always change the color of the background. Okay, you can always change the color of the background. Can you see this one is not even, the first one was better than this one. Okay, I believe that gradually Canva is going to improve this video editing. So now I have the final one for you before we round up this video. Okay, please don't forget to like, comment and share your opinion in the comment section. Let's interact, and also subscribe, and please share this video out to someone that will need it. So I'm going to delete this so we can go to the third ways we can use this video editing, and is removing the background of animated gift from Giphy. So now to go to Giphy, you scroll down. Sorry about this. You scroll down, then you click on more, and it will bring you to this box. Then you now scroll down and you see this gifty. Then you click. Okay, so now let's look for the one to use. But before I continue, have you liked this video? Please like, thank you in advance, and share. So let's look for happy gifty, someone that is happy. Okay, so I'm going to choose this one. So I can change the background color of this to probably, let me use this color, or this, yeah, let me use this color. Then I can enlarge it a bit. So I can do this. So I'm going to download now to make it a video because this is a Giphy. So I want to make it a video. So I download as MP4. So it's been downloaded. This is it. So I'm going to go back. This is my downloaded video now. So I'll just bring it up here. And don't worry, Canva is going to upload it for you. You don't need to go back to upload to start uploading your file. Okay? So it's loading. So I'm going to add this. This is our video. So I'm going to go to edit video and we edit the background. It will give you a percentage. 26% is giving me. So now let's wait till it's 100%. So done. I hope you enjoyed this video. As you can see, but it's not a high resolution background, is not as perfect as we hope, but because it's a Jiffy, you don't expect it to be too perfect, but at least it's okay for what we're using it for. So we've come to the end of this video. Thank you, and please watch others of my videos, and